went to get my nails done this morning, so I'm going on my own little side quest to get coffee and try and get a haircut, and then maybe I can actually take this cap off. Okay, I think we found the spot for coffee. Way out. Okay, this place looks kind of weird, but I think it's where I'm going to get my haircut. Okay, here we are. Alright, I got the trim. I'm gonna go meet Kofi now for some coffee. Looks like Kofi's made some friends over here.
8.5 gramos para tequila.
Vale. ¿Y el café es un café peruano?
Es un café, claro, los cafés que utilizamos aquí son cafés peruanos, son cafés de especialidad, son cafés complejos. El cafecito que te voy a dar es de la familia arábico o arábica, está ubicado entre 1800 a 2200 metros sobre el nivel del mar.
Vale.
Ha hecho fermentar o oxidar el café con un sistema anaeróbico. Comienza a oxidar y comienza a botar como un gas.
Vale.
Ya que estar controlando.
¿No es una leche normal?
Es una leche modificada. ¿A qué me refiero? Es una leche modificada.
Pero es más como nata.
Exacto. Entonces fabricamos helados.
Uy.
Entonces le hemos incorporado grasa natural que reemplaza la nata.
Y con la grasa tiene un sabor diferente.
Y esa grasa le va a dar esos sabores que buscamos, ¿no?
Sí.
Dulce.
Vale.
Una leche dulce.
Uy.
I did fishing.
Gracias.
I did fishing and
Just
I
a little
got
llama.
the biggest fish I ever seen in my life. Biggest fish I ever seen in my life.
Really? I can imagine.
This coffee fucking slaps, not gonna lie. Kofi, you approve?
I mean, I have nothing to say. It's that good.
¿Tiene un nombre, su tienda?
Sí, es como en el Instagram como Nicolai Barista.
Nicolai Barista.
Sí.
Bueno, pues
No.
muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Chao, que vaya bien.
Gracias.
Let's bounce.
De la naranja.
We in these streets. The Mercado San Pedro. See if we can find some food. Okay. I think we're gonna find some food here. Let's have a little look. Hola, buenas. Damn. They got all kinds of shit here. Is that? It's got brain, they've got snout. Is that from a cow? I think that's from a cow, no? They got trotters. It's like tripe. Ooh. Holy shit, they got an entire cow's head here. Okay, we found a spot. We found a spot. Looks good. Looks legit. Uy. Aquí tenemos un caldo de no sé qué. What do you think?
Amazing. Homely.
Pretty fucking good to be fair. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's good.
Should we add this thing?
Yeah, I don't know. They give us some sort of veggies. So she told us that it's this lady here told us that it's a caldo with
Bull's head.
I think she said bull's head and also rabo de toro, which is like the tail. Yeah,
It's got everything.
it's tasty. She says it has everything, so here it is. And here is the main course: steak with papas fritas, rice. This is a feed. It's a feed. And here we have some Peruvian mate, which has muña, which I think is good for altitude sickness. Muña.
Yeah, I like that.
It's tasty. Back on the road. Back on the road. In the mountains. I don't think you can see. There's a Viva el Peru cut into the mountains. It's like Peruvian Hollywood. Okay, so for our next quest. Wow! Recovered. And also we were super zoomed in. So for our next quest, we're gonna go and find some film roll because I have a film camera, but I don't have any film and I don't have a battery. So we're gonna go find some. Okay, a bit of a spanner in the works. Yeah, the place is fucking closed. So we're gonna have to go and try and find another one. Okay, we found a place that's open. Let's just hope that they actually have the battery that I need. Okay, we found what we're looking for. Okay, we're all set. We're all set up. Shout out to Hiromi for this camera. Right, we're gonna go and meet Davey and Nadine to do a little chocolate workshop. Yee-hoo! Are you ready for our chocolate workshop?
I was eating the chocolate, to be fair.
You were eating it?
Yeah. I bought some here, yeah.
Now we're gonna make our own.
Alright, interesting.
My name is Penelope, I'm from Malta, and I like milk chocolate the
No
best.
chocolate. Okay. But you have any question, guys, let me know. Yeah? Guys, this is your first class in making chocolate? Yes. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that's
Real fruit, alright? But you say, Gina, we have a few beans. The reason, guys, is the people they eat the beans, alright? That's the reason. Alright, guys. This good? Yes, no? This? Yeah? You have your chocolate? Yeah? Alright.
in the fridge. Where's the fridge?
Very wholesome. We just made some chocolate. Well, we didn't really. We just put some melted chocolate into a mold.
Yeah, but they don't need to know that.
Now they know. You like that?
Yeah, that was fun.
Nadine wants us to eat guinea pig.
No, I don't. I said, would you?
Now that she ate the alpaca the other day, she's got a taste for small furry animals.
But you've had a bunny before, surely, in Spain. Rabbit.
I've had rabbit.
I don't like rabbit.
I'd eat a guinea pig. I don't give a fuck.
Ugh. Would you?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Go on then. Get us one.
Can you do it? And I
Do
want
what?
to just eat it, and I want to just
I
watch
don't know.
it.
Like if it's got the face, I don't know. Like
Well, it will have the face. That's how they serve it. Yeah.
I feel like it's more effort to take the meat off.
All talk, no action.
well, go on then. I'll tell you what. If you get us one, you chop it up and I'll eat it.
I'm not chopping no shit up. I'm not touching no fucking.
It's not gonna be your guinea pig.
Yeah.
Well, I'm being yours by eating it.
Yeah.
Oh, guinea pigception.
You did say you would do it.
I know. I lied. I was all talk.
All talk.
My trainers are.
I'm gonna try and go back to that coffee place that we went to earlier.
I just
For round
really
two.
love those fluffy
Hopefully
little
they're still here.
alpacas.
Back with the coffee master. Muchas gracias. Okay, we're heading to some planetarium tour now. We're running a little bit late though. Okay, we here. We on time. Yeah, I don't know where they're taking us. Looks like they're taking us into some little hut in the forest.
My friends, cross your fingers. I go to check if we have
What are we gonna do now? We're gonna look through a telescope. Gonna go pick our chocolate up. Little chocolate pipe.
Este es.
Oh, what are they? They're sunflowers.
Happy sunflowers. Gracias.
Bueno, gracias. Que vaya bien.
So cute. Cheers.
Toba. You could have stayed, but it's over. La Osteria. Oh, fancy seeing you two, yeah.
Of course. We're always in the good
How
places.
did you know where we were?
I followed you, yeah.
Stalker.
Cheers.
Want me to go?
Yes. You do it. Machu Picchu tomorrow.